need to figure out my hair cutting goal for September. So let's take a look at the lunar hair chart. But before we do that, I want to show you a tool that I have, and I've been using it, but I haven't shared it yet. It is the Hair Scalp Massager. You flip your hair over like this, and then you're just gonna massage your scalp for about 30 seconds, 3 times a day. And that is supposed to help with the circulation, get everything waking up on your scalp. Relax and enjoy the feeling that that gives you. All right, let's take a look at this lunar hair chart for September. Remember, our goals are strengthening, lengthening, thickening, root work, and beautifying. And in August, I did do the lengthening dates. So I do want to focus this month on strengthening my hair. It does tend to be brittle and break at the end. So I will do a haircut this weekend. Shoot for the 10th. That'll be a good day. And I will see you then.